Hello and welcome to the Charlemagne building at the heart of Brussels. Today we're hosting a meeting to discuss issues around the Net Zero Industry Act, which is our legal framework to boost clean tech manufacturing in Europe. This means that we're trying to address our dependencies on clean tech from third countries and aim to have Europe as the home for our clean tech champions. I will be speaking to some of our participants today that have traveled all the way to tell us about their projects on the ground. So let's hear what they have to say.
I'm proudly representing Hungary's first strategic project, Cyclosteel. We are producing steel without fossil fuel totally, and we are building the first fully electrified steel mill of the world in Hungary.
And to present actually the completion of our first gigafactory for BESS systems in Bulgaria. In our case, we have developed and started to manufacture the battery energy storage systems as a strategic project under the Net Zero Industry Act. We do believe that the future of the energy system in Europe especially is in the decentralization. This means developing of new microgrid and smart grid technologies that are integrating energy storage.
We are close to have the plan for the Regional Acceleration Valley. That is a collection of tools that will help to increase the knowledge, to increase the skills, and to have a new place for new investment of new companies, and also to give more grants to those companies that are manufacturing renewable energies in our region.
We are from Lower Saxony and we were giving a presentation on the state of things in our state, especially regarding the Net Zero Valley that we plan to develop in the northwestern part of Lower Saxony.
With this starting point, then we want to establish this economy, this net zero economy, a little more, and hopefully we can switch from our more or less fossil-based current economy to the renewable-based economy. And of course, the technology, the net zero technology, plays a very important role in that point.
Great. Thank you so much. And safe travels back to Germany.
Thank you.
So, to conclude our meeting today, the European Commission, the European Parliament and the European Investment Bank are all pulling in one direction to ensure that Europe becomes the home for clean tech manufacturing. One takeaway from today is that there are over 50 projects that have applied to become net zero strategic projects in Europe, which means that they are treated on national priority. So there are many more projects to come online. So far we only have 8, but we are sure that soon we will have many more.